knows what is Markovnikov's rule, what is anti-Markovnikov's rule, but most of the students get confused in advanced Markovnikov's rule. What is it actually? See, generally what is Markovnikov rule? Conditions for this rule is unsymmetric alkene with unsymmetric reagent. Example of unsymmetric alkene, we are taking propene plus unsymmetric reagent HBr. Okay, so if we are adding HBr in propene, then it follows the Markovnikov's rule. The negative part of the reagent will goes to that carbon which containing the less number of hydrogen. It will attack over here and it will attack over here. So we get this product 2-bromopropane. This is Markovnikov rule. Next is anti-Markovnikov rule. Opposite to Markovnikov, there is one difference in Markovnikov. There is absence of peroxide, but if there is presence of peroxide with unsymmetric alkene plus unsymmetric reagent, then it follows the anti-Markovnikov rule. That is, the negative part of the reagent will attack on that carbon which containing the more number of hydrogen. So it will attack on this carbon and it will attack on this carbon. So we get this product, that is 1-bromopropane. But in some time there is presence number of hydrogen of carbon which bears the double bond is equal. So what we can do in that condition? In that condition we can use advanced Markovnikov's rule. We are taking example of pent2-ene. In this condition both carbons contains same number of hydrogen and we are adding the unsymmetric reagent in this alkene. So how it attack, at which carbon it will attack? So the negative part of the reagent will attack on that carbon which contains the bulky alkyl group, which is attached with the bulky alkyl group. See, this carbon is attached with ethyl and this carbon is attached with methyl. So which one is the bulky? Obviously ethyl one is the bulky. So the negative part of the reagent will attack on this carbon because it contains the bulky group as compared to this carbon. Okay, and we get the product, that is 3-bromopentane, and this rule is advanced Markovnikov's rule. Okay.